this young boy so clear, sitting down on my mama's feet. It was an everyday afternoon day, to meet from the Bible she'd read, her favorite passage of scripture. It was something by planting the seed. When she closed her Bible and softly she would say to me,
For you reap is what you sow, what you plant, one day will grow. Remember the things that you do, sooner or later will come back to you. So be gentle and be kind, you'll get the same thing somewhere in time. I want you to know you always reap what you sow.
Think how much better it should be if we live by this golden rule.
Do what you want as you say, as you have him do unto you.
So when you see someone who is down, pick them up and see them through. When you fall and stumble, someone will reach out to you.
For you